Hello friends, it is IAS Kannada Vahini. I welcome you all for the 7th part of the IAS Preliminary 2021 question on modern India. You can see the question, that is, consider the following pairs. We have given like pairs. Kimberley Clause, power of the Governor General to nominate. Lord Dufferin, microscopic minority of the people. A.O. Hume, National Conference. Firoz Shah Mehta, First All India Association. So these are the 4 pairs we have given. You are supposed to pick up or select the wrong pair. Which of the above are correct? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. Rather, you are supposed to select the correct pair. Here all these questions actually refer to the first phase of the freedom struggle from 1885 to, or you can say like 1875 to 1905. So all these things or events happened in the first phase of the freedom struggle. The first thing is Indian Council Act 1892, that is Kimberley Clause. It is one of the major act initiated by the British after, you can say, like taking over from the East India Company. That Kimberley Clause is the power of the Governor General, who was authorized to make the rules and regulations subject to the previous approval of the Secretary of the State. It is that Kimberley Clause is nothing but it applied for the power of the Governor General to nominate the members as a kind of indirect election for the non-official, you can select members, nominating the non-official members. So that is exactly what we call like the Kimberley Clause. So indirect election and also the nomination and also the power of the Governor General. So that pair is correct. Next, establishment of Indian National Congress, that is on December 28, 1885. The first session was held in Bombay. Founder was A.O. Hume. During that time, Governor General was Lord Dufferin. So, Lord Dufferin termed the Congress as microscopic minority of the people. He actually had some doubt on the efficacy or the capacity of the Indian National Congress, that is in 1885, because it was not the big organization. It was not like a massive organization as it evolved in 1920s or 1940s. So he termed it as microscopic minority of the people. And also one more, the technical theory called safety valve theory, that is also related with the Lord Dufferin, with the Congress. Next, third one is A.O. Hume. Actually, the Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume and his effort was really laudable, memorable. The reason is in 1883, for the first time, he called the National Conference to inviting so many young people. So that is the greatness of the A.O. Hume. And also he asked the some students in Calcutta University to form the association so that they can fight and they can improve or they can uplift the country. So the third one is also correct, second is also correct. Then coming to the Firoz Shah Mehta, that is First All India Association, that is wrong actually. First All India Association was formed and called by S.N. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee. So that itself is a wrong, fourth option is wrong. So the correct answer would be 1, 2, 3. That is Kimberley Clause, Lord Dufferin and A.O. Hume. So this is the, you can select the narrative of the answer. Again, we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye.